Hey guys, Darren W. Carter here at Carter's Barbecue. And today I'm outside. I'm about to cook some hamburgers actually. And just wanted to show you a style of lighting your charcoal and giving you a little bit of the lighting fluid versus chimney style lighting of your charcoal. So I'll give you my thoughts on it. It'll be real quick and here we go.
We're not putting nothing on
So this is my chimney here. Basically, it's a big long flue. Hey, hand me one of those chimneys over there, Cameron.
Okay.
My helper is going to help me out here real quick. Just hand me the big one.
This?
Yes, hand me the big one. All right, come on. Thank you. Same old thing here. You put your charcoal in here, and underneath, you have an area where you can put your accelerant, whether it's paper or some other type of accelerant. And for what I use, generally, I kind of get this from Home Depot. It's called Striker Fire. It looks like a big match, basically. Just looks like a big match. Strike that part, and then as this burns, it burns your charcoal. Or I also use these Weber cubes. There are so many different type of accelerants. You have looks like little debris pieces. These cubes look like little branches, all kind of stuff. But I am not a fan of charcoal. This is why. One, because you have to properly do it. You can't just douse sometimes if you want to do it, you just douse one area, light that area, and let all the other areas of the charcoal light itself. But we oftentimes light everything, put it in the pyramid, light up everything. But then if you don't let it burn properly, you have that charcoal taste on your food. Now, I've been doing this without charcoal. I can't believe I still got this in my garage, but I've been doing without charcoal for quite some time. And my preferred method is the chimney. 12 to 15 minutes. You wait till your top coals have a little ash or they're red, and you're good to go. So that's my tip for the day. Now just set those ablaze and drop my chimney over it. Come back out here in about 10 minutes or so. Let's see where we are. Put them in here because I'm going to be cooking these on the pit barrel. And one thing, if you do decide to use lighter fluid, just please don't be one of those people that put lighter fluid on your coals as you're cooking to reignite them, because that is definitely, one, very dangerous. Two, that's what gives you the worst in the taste area of lighter fluid on your food. So just be careful of that. All right, you see that nice red glow and you see the ash on top of it, the white ash. Usually I wait just a little bit longer, but it's about ready now. There's no white smoke and you're ashing almost all the way up. So let's put this in our pit barrel grate and put the hamburgers on in a few minutes. So you see my views on how to light my charcoals and what I like to do best. But what is yours? Let me know down in the comments. I prefer the chimney style. I haven't used lighter fluid in a long time, but some people still do. Even world champion, 4-time world champion Myron Mixon. So something to be argued, I guess. But for me in my house, hey, so check us out on our social media outlets. You can probably see them down here somewhere, and continue to come back and see us. Yeah, that's my little boy. So, all right, thanks for checking us out rather, and you take care.